Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Riku from Japan. This channel is all about Go, which is an exciting and easy to start board game. As I have explained in the previous video, this channel introduces Go to the world in English, so that beginners become able to enjoy Go games. Officially, Go is played with 19 by 19 board, but we will start practicing with a 9 by 9 board because obviously it is easier to understand. Today's topic is about the win and loss of Go. In the rules, the player who gets larger territory wins. Your territory is the area surrounded by your stones. I know it is not clear enough, so let's get into more detail.
First thing first, let me explain where stones should be placed on a Go board. You place a stone on an intersection. Since we are using a 9 by 9 board right now, there are 81 intersections, and that's where you can place a stone. Be careful that you can't place it inside a square. For example, you can place one here or here. Now, you are perfect about where stones are placed. So, let's talk about the win and loss. As I have mentioned, the player who gets larger territory wins in Go rules. And your territory is the area surrounded by your stones. Let's take a look at an example. Do you think which wins? Black or white? The answer is white. White has 21 points, while black has 14 points. When you build a territory, you can use lines around. This means territory can be made without being completely surrounded by stones. Let me show you an example. How many points does white got? There is a territory lower left, with stones of up and right and with lines of left and bottom. The answer is 9 points. Now you understood how to count points of a territory. Let's practice a little more. What about in this case? Which wins? Black or white? As explained, lines around can be used to compose a territory. The left is white's territory and right is black's. If you count, white got 27 points and black got 45 points. So black is the winner. Next question is more difficult. How about this? Which wins? First, let's think where is black's territory and where is white's. Black has its territory on top left and bottom right, and the points are 8 and 9, means 17 points in total. White has its territory on top right and bottom left. It has 12 and 15 points, so 27 in total. Finally, we know the winner, white. If you answered this question correctly, I'm sure you know how to count points of territories. In Go games, using lines around is very common because it allows you to make a territory with less moves. Finally, I'll talk about win and loss of Go. By the way, can you guess which had the advantage? Black, which makes the first move, or white? The answer is black. Making the first move has an advantage in Go. So, to make a game fair, there is a rule that white gets additional points at the end of a game. These points are called Komi. The number of Komi is different from countries. In Japan, it is 6.5. Now, let's see an example. I'm sure you can count the points of white and black. White has 18 points and black has 21. Just considering these numbers, black is the winner. However, if you add Komi to white, the points of white became 24.5, means white win the game. Did you understand the concept of Komi? Is it difficult? Don't worry, I'll explain about it again in the following video. when you actually play a game. That's all about the win and loss of Go. You have learned 3 things. First, Go stones are placed on the intersections. Secondly, the win and loss of Go depend on the size of the area surrounded by stones called territory. Finally, lines around can be used to compose a territory. These are important points when you play Go, so don't forget!
In the next video, I will talk about how to capture stones. Please check it out!
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and be sure to hit the subscribe button before you go. See you in my next video.